Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Let's get ready to rumble.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the
Good morning, and happy Wednesday. All right, let's see what the market is going on today. It seems like it's still rallying to the upside. Yesterday's live, we were talking about the market expansion that's been happening since the rally in Asia session, London, New York, predicting that the day will be taken, which is that prediction was accurate. And even like we pushed all the way, now we swept the previous week high. So Wednesday open took the previous week high. Everything is looking bullish in the watch list that we have as far as tech companies. Bullish momentum. US 30 is going bullish as well. It seems like the market is coming back, guys. We can tell the previous week high hasn't been swept at the US 30, but the S&P 500 week high was taking. So New York open. So if we look at Asia session, then we have London expansion to the upside, and New York as well expansion to the upside. On Wednesdays it depends how the day is gonna go. We have not placed any entry for today yet. Hopefully we will be able to place and execute some entries so we can have some live execution.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
10:07. First 30-minute candle was pushed to the upside big time, and now after the previous week has been swept. I want to see if we can have an entry reversal sign to the downside. Created some gaps for us so we can see if we're gonna take a position today, and yeah, it's a very, very, very good positive week. This week has been, um, with price kept pushing up and up and up, and then they created this gap here. This is a huge gap that we will target as well. This gap is a very healthy gap to target. If we have any reversal signs in the market after the week has been swept, sessions been swept, previous days been taken and swept as well. We can tell here this was New York PM as of yesterday, and the market just kept rallying up and up and up. And the targets will be gaps, previous session, gaps, previous day low, as well. If we have reversals, typically Wednesday session sweeps, they can go and be active.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
So we will see what today is going to bring. News-wise, yeah, healthy. We're looking very healthy in the news. As far as Boeing have actually some earnings today too. So seems like everything is positive. Seems like everything is positive, and gold retreats from record high. Of course, you know, when the market is doing good, gold is doing its thing. But we want to focus on placing an entry and taking a trade, and hopefully we will get some W's. Oh, Tesla. Yeah, market is pushing to the upside. So yesterday, it was this move that I was talking about and explaining here. This move happened after the day was taken, previous day. Speaking of yesterday, and the price came back, retest the equilibrium level, and then pushed up big time, sweeping. That's New York PM. Activated this sweep on the previous session, which is New York AM. That was a good call that I called there. Haven't missed yet, but we're gonna miss, and we're gonna get stopped out because this is part of the game.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
So we will continue this live and see we can get an entry today, Wednesday, April 23rd. So yeah, you know, charting every day makes you stronger. It's practicing, right? So when you miss a day on the chart, you know, I feel like I'm missing a lot, right? If you don't, I was like, okay, what happened? When you stay consistent and watching the chart daily, you don't have to take trades daily, but it's just knowing and being aware, having an idea what's going on in the market, having an idea how the price moves, and start understanding the way that those traders, they place these orders. So you will have an understanding and an idea. Just making it simplifying it is the key, because it can get complicated, and it can get very overwhelming and complicated and stressful. Stress comes with it as well, but more you do it, more you understand the market moves, the way that it moves certain times, certain days, certain hours and moments and sessions. That's why we have them. We have the session set up for us. We don't need to worry about keep drawing, and just get a clean setup, right? Whatever setup that what works for you, because these setups, they just simplify it so we can worry about the other things. And, you know, worrying about the wrong thing is not especially in trading, because there's a lot of things can go wrong, and a lot of things can get you taken out and having losses and what have you. So Dow was up 1,000 points already from the open. That's very solid, very strong. US 30 is doing its thing, and then we go to the ticks. S&P is what we like, what I like to trade it. And you know, US 32, you know, if I have an opportunity in US 30, I would take it, most definitely.
They ain't believing us. God did.
Let's go. So yeah, we are in the there are 10 seconds till the 15-minute will close. 10-15 candle closes, and now we have some push to the downside. After the previous week swept. Gaps here, the market. So expansion, there is no manipulation happened in the 3 sessions now. We can expect New York AM to manipulate London and take the lows. If we have the confirmation, we might take a position if the price confirm the reversal.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
We've been expanding. That's expansion there. That's a confirmation, a little formation. We wait till the candle close, of course, because that might be just a liquidity grab or distribution to the upside. Wednesdays, the days that traders will be, what's going on, man? Why? What's happening? Right? Why market's taking me out? This is a Wednesday. This gap is already getting closed out. To the tick, it's getting closed out. To the tick, liquidity grabs. Those are the institutional guys. And the price down.
Man, shut your...
That doesn't mean the price is not going to continue the bullish move, the bullish continuation. That doesn't mean that. But they know they go seek liquidity and take these guys out. This is a good target here. This is a target here. This is a target for the London to be taken out or swept. Equilibrium. We use it after, so the price here we're not going to enter yet, either a buy or a sell. We wait to see what's going to happen with the equilibrium. Is it going to be acting as a support, or is it going to continue the sweep? But New York AM swept London, swept the previous week high, so those targets getting taken out. So if we have, or we see a indication for a reversal, we might take it.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Let's go. Got some breaking news too. You have to keep your eye on the news. That's what they do. We'll trigger the news out there, so news will push you, take you out. You have to be ready. You have to have your watch list. You have to have the news, the data. You have to be aware. What's going on?
Man, shut your...
Wow, this is huge imbalance. Boom. Whoa. Some moves right here. I believe there is so the president backed out of saying that he's planning to fire Jerome Powell. That's what I read today. So I don't know. It's probably because when he thought that the market's tanking because of that, then so this is why it's the uncertainty in these market conditions. Gotta be careful, be aware. So you need to we need to wait a little bit. You need to be more patient and not just jump on trades and take trades. Example, so when the change of character was forming here, so you'll be like, oh, well, it's going down, so let me go ahead and take a short right now so I can get an entry. You're gonna get taken out because you gotta wait till the candle closes. Okay, you have to.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Because it's volatile. It's the opening of the market. It's still 1025. It's a lot of volatility. It's a lot of uncertainty in these market conditions. So you don't want to jump on trades and getting stopped out. Watch my previous lives, man. You know, like the one that I did yesterday, I literally predicted the whole move. And I was like, okay, this is going to be taken out to the upside. This is what's going to target. And that's exactly what happened. You just need to know when to enter, right? The entry is the key. And I will try my best to see if I can get an entry live so we can trade it together and see how is it going to play out. So we see if we have something that we're cooking right, or we have proof of concept, or we're just you know, having no idea here and running around without any clue.
Man, shut your...
So you know, those things, like look at this continuation of a trend. If so it didn't give any give a change of character at the 3 minute. It's got disrespected now, and the price is gonna still seek. So that's a fake out. So you can call it as a fake out, you can call it as whatever you want to call it, but there is no sweep. So the price came, filled the gap here, targeting now distributing to the upside. So which is it can do, it can have a distribution to the upside after a full gap has been filled, and continuation to the upside. And the continuation can go to the upside US 30 because the Dow still has some room to grow. So we have this level here on the Dow, the previous week high, is these levels here, the 40,794, that most likely will be taking out, duplicating what the S&P 500 just did by sweeping the previous week high.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
And 3 minutes for remaining to the 10:30 candle. A lot of changes at 10:30. Either we continue from 10:30 to 11, kinda. Most likely, sometimes that's what the market. Sometimes it will reverse on you, or it will continue the move. Be patient. $55 seconds, 50. We'll see here how this wave, 1030 wave, will hit. Sure that we don't have any breaking news. Let's go. $10.30 is on. See how if we're gonna get an entry.
Put that cookie down now!
We seems like we have a very positive news today.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Let's go. So if the market continue the upside in New York AM session, then New York PM session will be where we need to start looking at entries for getting trades in, since the AMs hasn't give us any signs or reversal signs to the downside yet. So we hold, we stay, we hold, we don't do anything now, because to enter a trade now, it doesn't make any sense to enter it right now. You're in a premium price, so you're not gonna get any good entries here. You're just getting entries that can stop you out, because price still will go push to the downside, get more liquidity, and push to the upside. So this is where you don't wait, you don't trade now, you wait till the right moment.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
We're going to continue this live to trade as much as I can. I will keep posting live content so we can place trades together live, and no edit, no record, no wait and record the million trades and post the one that worked. None of that. We want to be transparent as much as we can here to make sure that we deliver a good message and pass something good to this trading community, since we have a lot of cappers out there and these guys claiming that they're doing certain numbers and then they charge you 5 racks for their boot camp, and they've never posted a live trade. I'm gonna keep doing this till I catch a trade, and when I catch it, then we will see how the internet is gonna react.
Man, shut your...
Let's go. This change of character was disrespected. 3-minute. And those were disrespected too. This one here, it's a 5-minute disrespect. So that's where the market is just pushing to the upside. You don't take those signals, trade them blindly. You need to know what's going on. You use them as a assist when the trade is on. But if the trade is not on, it means nothing. If the trade is not on, signals means nothing.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
$40 minutes in this session, almost 40 minutes in, and I waited. I didn't even start the session at 9:30 at the open, because why? I don't want to burn another 30 minutes since we're not doing anything till the 10 o'clock or 30 minutes after. So I was like, let's go ahead and do a 10 o'clocker. We will ride this another 15-minute candle and see if we can get any reversal, because when reversals happens, they do happen rapidly, right? So within 5-10 minutes, crack, 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 these guys will be all taken out, and then will be market continuation. Or if we get another, like a healthy equilibrium kind of support, like here it didn't, we still have room. And if I take a trade here with a stop loss at the equilibrium, that's, you're getting stopped out, because the price most likely will come here as well. It likes to come in and fill these gaps, the gaps that was created at the London session to get a distribution from it. So that was a very aggressive push to the upside, because there's positive news. So the news and the volume, the bullish volume's there. So that's the reason why, right? This is the nature of the market. But you wait when the trade, if the trade's playing out, you wait, right? It's not going to play out all the time. But if you take trades all the time, you're getting stopped out more than when you making profit. And this is where you're not a profitable trader. We need to wait. You need to be patient, right? We don't trade every day. You watch the market, and when the trade is on, then when you take the trade.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff.
We're gonna catch one. Gonna catch one. If we didn't catch one today, we'll catch one tomorrow, most definitely. Let's go. On in the markets, as far as news, we have, yeah, the market now. The rally continue to the upside, and I'm assuming Tesla's up. Let's go. Yeah, declined 20% yesterday, and I was actually watching it, and then I thought that Tesla's gonna tank, but it seems like the market is just pushing up to the upside, and they're liking the news now. So this is a good comeback. It's a great comeback. Let's see, US 30, yeah, Goldman Sachs is up 20, almost 25 points. US 30, Dow doing its thing. Yeah, this gaps here. A great target to the downside. They see some exhaustion, and the buying pressure, then the selling pressure is gonna be activated, and then hopefully we can get a
round one, fight.
A round one. Two minutes till the 10:45 candle. Like I said yesterday, if we didn't get a trade in the New York AM session, I will see if I can record a trade at the PM or when the market, even if I do it from my tablet or from my phone. We'll see if we can get that recorded, so we can have live execution to on a trade, and hopefully we will get
Another one.
Yep. Let's go.
Ain't believing us. God did.
Five minutes, 10, 15. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do next time, actually? What I'm going to do is when the trade is on, I will go live when the trade is on. We haven't caught a trade even at 10 o'clock yet on live, so I'm trying to catch it. So next time when it's on, I will live it so we can get some action. Probably, hopefully,
Another one.
Yeah, we'll probably get that. We will. Gonna call it a day for this live, guys, and I will see you next time. Hopefully we can get some trades, and if you are trading today, just watch the news, watch what's gonna happen too. Keep your eye on the news, because you don't want to be thinking that price is going to continue up and you're getting stopped out, especially because the previous week high was taken out and there is big targets, big gaps, this gap, big targets to the downside that the market will probably give us an indication for a reversal side and taking a short on Wednesday. If I get that short, I will make sure to record it and see if we can get some W's. But for now, we will catch y'all later.